Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can dress up as a pizza baker on Dress to Impress. So you can use any outfit you want, but this is the go-to outfit for it. Select this and you're going to color it this pattern. Let me just actually favorite it so I don't have to search for it anymore. Then we're going to head over. We're going to use these. Okay, not the pants, but these. And we're going to color it the black color. Let's do matte on the material here, and then matte again, and then here matte, and we're going to color the same. Turn off the bottom part, and then we're going to select the skirt here and then do the wide one and color it that again. And then for the shoes, you can use any shoes, but I'll just use these shoes, these simple shoes. I might color them black. Actually, I might use this one and color it all black. And then I'm going to use these pants and I'm again going to color it black. Okay. And then for the hat, I'm going to be using this one. Make sure you turn it all like to a matte color. Then we're also going to use this hat as well. Like so. Then you're going to want to add gloves. Short, delete the fur. Then for the pizza, use the shield and then color it red first for the tomato sauce, yellow for the cheese, and green for the veggies. And that is how you can become a pizza maker on Dress to Impress. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.